me. You know nothing, Johnson.
You trembled like you see a ghost, and I gave in.
I know I love you.
I like the things you need the most. You said, where have you been? You wasted all that sweetness to run and hide. I wonder why. I reminded you of the days you poured your heart into, but you never tried. I've fallen from grace, took a blow to my face. I've loved and I've lost, I've loved and I've lost. Explosions on the day you wake up needing somebody and you've learned it's okay to be afraid, but it will never be the same. It will never be the same. You left my soul bleeding in the dark, so you could begin. The words you said are still untold to me, and I've lost my faith in everything. The nights you could cope, your intentions were gold, but the mountains will shake. I need to know I can still make explosions on the day you wake up needing somebody and you've learned it's okay to be afraid, but it will never be the same. I'll find you another